I made it to the mountaintop that I wanted to climb in the previous video. You maybe watched it, and maybe you didn't watch it. How dare you if you didn't watch it? The name of the mountain was forgot. Something was K. I don't remember. But yeah, the view is really awesome, but the weather is bad as usual. The sun glimpses through the clouds just for a moment. This place is vicious. Look at that mud. That's a mountaintop. Now I'm stuck. Shit. Oh, shit. Why do I record this? Aha, there's a name. Kalpakur. Okay, very good. Presenting my new shoe. You like that? Beautiful finish. It looks like that the soil is very soft, and when the ice melts on the mountaintops, then it creates that mud fest. So I think I will descend now. The fog doesn't look like that it will clear up anytime soon. And today we have super epic sunsets. And of course I'm not on the mountain. Shit. Maybe I can use a drone to take some shots from the sky. I could try that. Maximum altitude 500. What the hell? What if I type in 1000? It caps it to 500. 500 meters, that is not enough. That's not enough. It's 500 meters, I can't go higher. 500 meters? That's it? 500 meters. That's the maximum it can go. What the hell? That is so... I can't even look over the mountains. I can't look over the mountains. It's not high enough. Yeah, what the hell? This is not a good image. I would need to go much higher than that. That's why I need to climb on the mountain and then start up there, because then I would get to 1500 meters, and from here I can only get to 500 meters, and then I can't look over the mountains. That doesn't make any sense. Why is there such a height limit? It's so bad. Okay, return to home. If I just was on that mountain, I'm there when it's bad, but I'm not there when it's awesome. Ah, damn. And the flies are so annoying. There are flies near the water, and they come in swarms, and they just fly in the face all the time. It's so annoying. You can't move around here in peace. As soon as you move, somewhere, it attracts all the flies. They sit in the grass, they sleep there, and then as you wander around, they wake up and then bzzz, and then it's fly in the face. It's so annoying, especially during daytime. I think now in the morning it's not as bad. I can't get over that. Today were super epic conditions for excellent images, but I didn't make use of it.
Shame! Shame!
Really a pity. I really hope there will be another day when it's that good. Yeah, so a couple hours passed and it's very cloudy right now. It has been raining a lot. The weather forecast says that there's good weather incoming, but honestly I don't see it. It looks like there's some heavy rain coming. Not sure. Okay, just 1 hour later and the weather is fine. Looks superb now. So maybe the weather forecast was right this time and there will be an epic sunset, sunrise. So maybe I just give it a go now and oh, god damn the flies, and take the footage that I want. Oh god. I need to leave this place. It's terrible. There was an excavator yesterday. Put some rocks into the river where I have been unable to cross previously, but now it doesn't look as steep. Maybe I can pass it with the car and move a bit further up the road and save a bit of walking time. I don't think it's that deep. Let's have a look. Fine. I don't think it will be problematic to run over it now. There's a peak covered in clouds. Not good. The wind is strong. Bad for the drone. I don't know what the hell is going on. Doesn't look good anymore. Clouds are coming, more low clouds. Very windy. And I won't see anything up there. I think I have to cancel this mission. It's bad. It looked very good when I started. It took me maybe 2.5 hours here. Now I move back 2 hours. Drive back 2 hours. What a waste of time. This place is not my friend. Actually, the entire island is not my friend. There's just way too much bad weather. If it wasn't for the bad weather, I would really like this place.